In 2003, we built this house. We put on architectural shingles, and it was supposed to last for 30 years, and about 10 years later, they knew we had a problem. Then we got a price on doing a new shingle roof, and then we decided, we saw a lot of advertisement about metal roofs, so we started looking into them and decided to go with a metal roof. I'm kind of, I don't cheat. I mean, I don't like skimp, but I try to be frugal. And it was more money than I get for a price for other aluminum roofs or metal roofs, but it was just the product sold me. So I thought it was worth the extra money, even though it gave me some thought. Some of the things that I thought were worth the extra money was the quality of the product. They gave us a bunch of places in the area to go look at where they'd done roofs, and we went and looked, and we also looked at the competitors' roofs, and your roof every time just stood out like a more professional, neater, better job. So that's another reason we decided to go with Interlock.
As to the cost, I was prepared that it was going to be probably a little more expensive than some of the others, but I thought that Jonathan answered questions that some of the others did not. He seemed to know the product, and he just reassured me that this was what I wanted to go with.
They were in need of a product that fit. They did not want another go-around with a lower cost shingle roof that was going to give them trouble again. And I knew it was a good fit, and if we presented it correctly and showed all the benefits that we had to offer, it was going to go very nice for them, be a great project.
So the new roof, the minute you see it, like even when they did one part of the roof, it just looked awesome to me. It just looked like a real professional, real quality roof. And then when the whole thing was done, and you walk around the house, I don't want to brag, but it just looks awesome.
Attractive, neatly done, very neatly done, and colorful, just the way it contrasts with our home in general. It was a perfect fit.
Every time I drive up the driveway, it's the same impression when I saw it done the first time. I just think it looks awesome. Yep.
Same thing. It just looks so nice.